Okay, the next function is, what is the next function? Dated also we discuss it. Next one is dates between. Okay, what dates between will do? That means between the dates. Okay, in between the dates, whatever dates we are mentioning, those dates related calculation, it will happens in dates between function. Okay, let's see how we can calculate it. Okay, suppose for example there is a date column is there in the financial data set or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, in this particular financial data set, we have a date column is there. So I'm mentioning from one date to another date. In between that, whatever the total sales is there, I want to check it. Okay, so I need to pass two dates. Okay, in between those two dates, whatever sales is there, those sales sum I need to calculate it. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is we need to use a function called dates between. Okay, here dates between. See here, I want to create this particular function in the measure itself, because it will returns a single value, right? Sum of sales are like that. We need to see means it will returns a single value. So that's the reason I am writing in the measure itself. Okay, dates. So how I am applying? Let's see. Okay, let's calculate is a function. So dates between, most of the times we need to use it in the calculate function only. In the calculate sum of, okay, sales, you have to write it. Sales of sales column. Okay, comma. Okay, here you can write a dates between. Okay, dates between of. Okay, in which column you need to take the dates, that column name you have to write. That means date column, financial date column is there, right? In that date column we have to write the date column. In that date column, what is the start date and end date? Okay, in that particular date column you need to take any start date and end date. In between that, what whatever the sum of sales is there, that I need to perform it. So let's see practically. Okay, here I need to take it as what is the dates will be there here. Let's see. And 2013. See here, I'm writing like dates between here, writing like 2013 dash 01 dash 01. Okay, and comma 2013 12 31st. That means so what I'm writing here, that means whatever the start date and whatever the end date is there, in between the start date and end date, whatever the sales it is, the sum of sales will be calculated. Okay, see here, that means so 2013 January 1st to 2013 December 31st, up to that whatever sum of sales is there, that I need to calculate it. Okay, that means suppose for example, in this date column, so here, let's see what it will returns. Okay, first of all. Okay, see, this is the sales, it is total sales is this one. Whether this value is correct or not, first we need to check it. Okay, okay, what we need for checking purpose, how we need to check it is, come to the data tab. In that, in between 2013 January to December, okay, you have to select the dates. Okay, see here, in that, how many dates are there? Those dates you have to select it. After selecting those dates, okay, sales column is there, right? Select the sales column. Okay, copy and put it in the Excel itself. These sales, um, put it in the Excel. Then how much it is there? Clearly we can see the sum of sales. Okay, see here. Okay, whenever you paste that particular column. Okay, so here I'm taking the January 1st to 2013 to December value, we can take it, and whatever the sales column is there, after filtering these values, whatever the sales column is there, I'm copying. If you want to copy a particular column values, right click on the column and you will have an option called copy. Okay, once you copy it and put it in the Excel itself, then automatically, if you select that particular column, you will see whatever sum is there here. Clearly it will shows, right? The same thing, whether this value and we are calculating the calculation, whatever it is there, that value, whether it is correct or not, you can check it. See here, this value and this value both are same itself. Understand clearly?
Yes, Vijay, clear.
Okay, so this is how it will be calculated. Okay, so this is how the dates between will works. Understand? Next one is dates in period. This is also a very important function, dates in period function. Okay, in dates in period, suppose for example, okay, what will happen here it is, see here. Dates in period. What dates in period will do is, suppose for example, let's see practically, calculate, okay, sum of sales, sum of sales it will be calculated, okay, comma, okay, here dates in period means, see here you have to select that particular. So select that particular function itself, dates in period. In that, okay, you have to, so here I'm writing a column. Okay, okay, date column, financial date column, comma, and here it will take it as maximum of in the date column. Comma, suppose for example number of intervals -1, comma, here it is. So if you suppose, so what will happen here in dates between? That means in this particular date column, okay, in the financial there is a date column, right? In that date column, whatever the maximum date is there, in that, in the financial date column, whatever maximum date is there up to last year, that means up to that complete 12 months related whatever sales is there, minus 10, minus 1 means, suppose for example, I have a December 2022. Okay. Suppose for example, I have like uh, 2021 to 2022 dates is there. Okay. Up to 2021 to 2022 dates is there. Okay. So here what I am taking is I'm taking a date column. Okay. In this date column, whatever maximum date is there, from that maximum date to up to 12 months before 12 months, because I'm writing as minus 1, right? That means if it is a 2022, okay, suppose the maximum date is 2022 value is there, okay, minus 1 year means from the 2022 to, okay, maximum of the 2022 date to up to last year 12 months related data, it will be calculate the sum of sales. Understand clearly or not,
Yes,
Ravi?
Vijay. Yes, Vijay.
Okay, that means, so here let's see with example. Let's see with example. Okay, suppose for example, what is the maximum date here in this particular date column? What is the maximum date? 01 December 2014. Okay, from that particular date to up to 12 months. Up to 12 months, so how many dates will be there? Ravi,
Vijay.
are you listening or what?
Yes, Vijay. Listen. 12 months period.
12
01
months
December
means what will happen? So here see, what will happen is dates in period means maximum date it will take it. Okay, what is the maximum date? 01 December 2014. Okay, so minus 1 year means what?
No, November 2014. Up to-
Ravi, are you listening or what? I didn't understand.
Yes, Vijay.
What do you understand this function? Can you please tell me?
In financial date లో మనకి హైయెస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో డేట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ
What is the
మనకి
highest
డిసెంబర్
date here?
01 December 2014.
2014. Okay, then after that what I'm writing here, okay, that means from that to minus 1 year. Minus 1 year means, okay, that means here, okay, what is the maximum date? 01 December 2005. That means previous 12 months related whatever it is there, that means November, October, September and August to July up to January. Okay, that means in between this, that means minus 1 year means minus 1 year means up to 01 December 01 January 2014. Okay, from that particular date to this particular date, that means 01 December 2014 up to that, whatever sales is there, that it will be showed here. Let's see practically. So after selecting this, what is the total sales is there? Okay, so here 923111094. Whether the same thing it will happen here, it is getting the same result or not. Let's see. Okay, what is the dates in period? Okay. 9231109.75. Understand or not? Is
Yes,
it clear?
yes,
Okay.
clear.
So what dates in period will do is, so either you can write it in the minus related or plus related, anything you can write it here. Numeric value you can write it here. Here you need to pass the interval. What interval? Month, day, year, quarter, or anything. Okay. Whatever it is mentioned. Okay. That means from this maximum date to up to 12 minus 1 year means maximum is 2014. Up to minus 1 year means up to previous 12 months related. Okay, so from this maximum date to up to previous 12 months related, whatever sales is there, that it will be calculated and it will give you the result. Understand clearly or not? Okay.
Understand.
Next one is dates MTD. Dates MTD means month to date. Okay, what month to date will be there? Let's see how it will be calculated. Okay. Suppose for example, dates. Hello. Parcel తీసుకోవా? Okay, so here what is dates MTD will do? Let's see. Dates MTD. Okay, calculate again, calculate sum of sales. Comma dates MTD of, what is the column? Date column, right? Financial date column. Here okay, in this particular dates MTD, what will happen here it is, So in this particular date column, okay, clear all filters. Okay, in this dates MTD means whatever the maximum date is there, for that maximum date, whatever sales is there, that it will be show sum of sales, it will shows here itself. Okay, let's see. See here, it is 11998787.9. The same thing. That means what dates MTD means whatever the date column we are mentioning here. Okay. See here in the dates MTD, what dates MTD will do? Just I am passing a date column here. Okay. In the date column, whatever the maximum date is there, that maximum date related total sales, it will be calculated. Dates MTD is nothing but dates month to date. Month to date means that means maximum date, current month. In that particular date column, whatever the maximum date is there, that related sales, it will be calculated. Understand clearly? Okay. Similar like okay, you can apply like dates QTD, dates YTD. That means dates QTD means current quarter related sales, whatever sum of sales is there, that it will be performed. Okay, it is dates MTD means current month. Okay, dates QTD means current quarter related. Okay, that means maximum quarter, whatever it is there, that quarter related total sales, it will be calculated. If it is dates YTD means current year, maximum year, whatever it is there, that year related total sales, it will be calculated. Understand clearly? Next one is end of month. Okay, what is end of month will do? End of month is nothing but the max. That means whatever the maximum date is there, that month calculation it will happen. So let's see practically how we can apply it. End of month. Just I'm passing end of month. Okay, whenever we are passing this one, let's see. See here, the same value it is passing. Same value it is getting. End of month and the dates MTD both are same itself. Okay, end of month is nothing but in that particular date column, whatever the maximum date, whatever the last date is there, that date related total sales, it will be calculated. Understand clearly or not? Okay, is it clear or not?
Yes, clearly.
Okay, next one is end of quarter, end of year means similar like that only. Understand? Next one is first date. First date means in that particular date column, whatever the first date is there, those related total sales, it will be calculated. Let's see here. These are important functions. Okay, don't confuse. If you know one function, remaining functions, similar functions, you have to know it. Understand? First date. Okay, so let's see what value it is getting. Okay. See here, this value and this value 4484003. Okay, so that means what is first date will do? What is first date will do? That means in that particular date column, okay, in that particular date column, whatever the minimum date is there, okay, whatever the minimum date is there, that minimum date related total sales it will be calculated. Okay, that minimum date total sales it will be calculated. So if I'm selecting 01 September 2013, okay, that related total sales whatever it is there, that it will be shows here. Understand? Okay, is
Yes,
it clear or not?
yes, clear.
Next one is first non-blank means in the first non-blank, okay, in that, okay, whatever if there is any in the first date we have even if the blank values are also there, for that it will be calculated. If you don't want without blank values, then we have to use a function called first non-blank. Okay, next one is last date. Last date means first date means this one. Last date means what is the last date will do. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here last date means maximum date. We already discussed it, right? End of the month,
First
whatever
December
it is.
2014. Is it
Yeah,
right?
1st December 2014 related whatever maximum sales is there, last that one. First date means minimum date and last date means maximum related total sales it will be calculated. Understand? Without blank values, if you want to count it, if you want to apply it means then we have to use last non-blank. Okay. Next day means next day related whatever sales it will be there, that it will be calculated. Okay. Suppose, for example, next next day. Okay. Immediately, whatever the next date is there, that related total sales. Suppose, for example, what it is displaying, why it is not displaying the next day related. Oh, suppose if I'm selecting the same thing I'm performing, right? Next day related. Okay, here it is showing, it is not showing right now. We will discuss later. Okay, what next day function will do and everything that I will tell you later. Okay, if you know about the next day related, next month, next quarter, next year related, same like that. Okay, next we already discussed about the opening balance month, opening balance quarter, opening balance year. Okay, next that also we already discussed it. Next one is parallel period. Okay, parallel period is similar like um, okay, it is similar like what is that dates in period. Dates in period is there, right? Same like that parallel period also. Okay, suppose for example, okay, let's see with example. Parallel period, you have to give same like dates in period is there, right? Same syntax. Okay, here number of intervals is -1 comma year it is. Okay, suppose if I'm giving like this, what will happen here it is. Okay, see here, that means it is showing like 264.15. What is this value 264.1 like this? Let's see. Okay. I'm copying these two columns. Copy. Copy table. Except this say date and this one remaining columns it will be sorry. See here, that means that means here it is showing like last year related. Okay, so in parallel period what we'll do, that means, okay, that means minus 1 year. That means whatever the maximum year is there, with that maximum year, if you want to calculate minus 1 means previous year related, whatever the sales is there, that it will be calculated. Okay, so here 26415,255. See here 2641455. That means in this particular date column, minus 1, what is the maximum date? 2014. Okay, 2014 minus 1 means what is that one? 2013. 2013 related whatever sales is there, that all the sales it will be calculated and it will show the results here itself. Understand clearly?
Yes, Vijay.
Okay.
+1 one more doubt Vijay. అక్కడ
Yeah,
-1 కి
you can not only minus 1, you can write +1 also. But +1 means what will happen? Can you tell me what it will? Huh?
single digit say 1.
1 means what will happen? What I'm asking you.
1 year plus అంటే if it is highest value highest month means 2013 ఉంటే గనక దానికి 1 year యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే 2014 వస్తుంది.
But here, what is the maximum year is there?
Maximum 2014.
2014, if I'm giving +1, means what will happen?
2015 వస్తుంది. సో
But
ఇక్కడ మనకి అది లేదు ఆ
2015
రికార్డ్స్.
data is not available here, right?
yes.
Okay, that's the reason it is showing blank values. Okay, so that means what? Okay, that means +1. That means whatever the maximum year is there, that it will be calculated. I think so. That means it is showing like that current year related sales, it will be calculated. Suppose for example, if I'm selecting like only 2014 related. Okay, let's see. If I'm selecting only 2014, then see here 9231, like this it will be displayed. What is the value it is displaying here? 9231, like this. That means, okay, whatever the period is there, that period -1 means 2000 related, 2013 related. Okay, +1 means 2013, what +1, what it will be there? 2014. That means the that means maximum year. That means whatever the current year is there, that related total sales, it will be displayed. Is it clear or not?
yes క్లియర్ విజయ్. అలాగే మనకి సేమ్ ప్యారలల్ గా ఇన్ ప్యారలల్ పీరియడ్ లో మినిమం అని ఇస్తే కనుక సేమ్ ఇలాగే అప్లై చేయాలి ఉంటుంది విజయ్.
No. Yeah. Okay. Next one is previous day, previous month, and previous quarter, previous year. It is similar like next day, next month, next quarter, next year, like that. Okay. Same parallel period last month is not required, and total MTD, total QTD, total YTD. What is this function will do? That means current month related total sales only. If current month related total sales. Okay, let's see with example. Total MTD. Here you can write an expression, means this. Okay. sum of sales. What is the sales column here? This is the column, comma. What is that? Financial date column. That means what will happen? Let's see. See here, that means what will happen? Here it is total MTD means current month. Whatever current month is, I told you, right? Total MTD, current year, current month related. Whatever the maximum month is there, that related total sales, it will be calculated. Understand clearly? Total
Yes.
MTD means current month. That means whatever the latest year, whatever the latest month is there, that month related total sales, it will be calculated. Understand clearly or not?
Yes, Vijay. Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes, Vijay.
Okay. So similar like that, total QTD, total YTD also doing the same thing. Understand clearly? Okay.
Okay.
Current quarter related, current year related total sales will be calculated. Okay. This is completely about the DAX functions. Okay. So tomorrow we need to discuss about the modeling part. Okay. Tomorrow we need to discuss about the modeling part as well as the other so modeling part tomorrow 100% I will try to complete it. Okay.